There are many reasons why people pop or crack their knuckles. Some people do it as a nervous tic, some as a way to relieve pressure and stiffness, while others do it because they are restless. Many of us were told that cracking our knuckles would lead to arthritis. Is that a true warning? Not at all. No amount of knuckle cracking will cause you to have arthritis. But how cracking occurs? Harvard Health claims that cracking your knuckles enlarges the space between your finger joints, which pushes gas bubbles and the fluid between your joints to the surface, where they explode. The popping or crackling sound is caused by this.